My aunt took me and my cousins to feed the homeless when I was about 5 years old. This is my first real experience with the homeless, and I saw how they lived. They were on the streets with the rats and dirt all over the place, and I didn't understand why at the age of 5 years old. I thought everybody had homes. So I went home and asked my parents if I can give them all houses, but we obviously couldn't do that. So they helped me come up with a different solution. We thought of the different things that we have on a daily basis that they don't have. And we came up with Project I Am. I'm Jahkil Jackson, and my project is called Project I Am. Project I Am is an organization that builds awareness of homelessness, providing blessing bags that are full of toiletry items for those in need. The reason Project I Am is called its name is because at first it was I am Naeem, and Naeem is my middle name, which means to give without receiving back. So it's kind of in me to want to give back. But then more and more youth started wanting to do this, so we decided to call it Project I Am. Like I am Jared, I am George, any name like that. Blessing bags are a bag full of toiletry items that the homeless can use on a daily basis. They're toiletry items like soap, tissues, socks, toothbrushes, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, all the different things that they need. One of my main aspects of my organization is doing a bag stuffing, which is making an assembly line, get one of each item, putting it in the bag, and then that's one finished bag. You might do 200, 250, 500, you might do 1,000. We want to get the community involved and have fun doing this. While we also give blessing bags out to the shelters, we do deliver them directly to the homeless. We deliver the bags on the streets, and we actually see how they are living. It makes me feel happy to know that I'm helping others. It's just a great feeling to know that you're helping somebody. It feels amazing to be a Power of Children Award winner. I would love to thank all my family members and all the volunteers who have came out to support and help me reach my goals. I am so grateful to receive the grant money from the Children's Museum. With the grant money, I plan to use it for my organization, getting more toiletry items, and just helping others more. In the future, I plan to be making a difference by helping others and hopefully by then demolishing homelessness. This project has changed me by making me less selfish, and my mom might disagree, but I think that's made me less selfish. I would tell other young people that want to make a difference is don't wait to be great. Us as young people, we don't have to wait until we're adults to become young change agents or start our own business, because I believe that we can do it right now. I'm Jahkil, I'm 12 years old, and I am a Power of Children Award winner.